gone by day, gone by night. It's not an easy road, leads you to the light. It's windy now, but someday it'll straighten out.